Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and happy new year. It's been a while that new year started and we are already past half of January. You must have saw the makeup look I have created today. I wore this makeup look few days ago and I felt so good, and I felt like this was a really nice example of unapproachable makeup because it makes you look very dark, feminine, intimidating. So let's get into the video. Starting with the eyeshadow first, as it is very dark. I shouldn't say inspired. I had this makeup in my brain for a while and then I noticed that it is very Katherine Pierce coded. This is literally my everyday eyeshadow palette. I use this every single time I do my makeup because I use this eyeshadow for my brows, and I'm using this black eyeshadow and I have started blending it, focusing on my outer corner, blending it on my crease. I don't want any harsh line. Kinda drag it outside. Okay, so one thing about me is Vampire Diaries is my favorite show ever. Like, I am obsessed with that series. The Originals is also my favorite show. Stefan is my most favorite character. All the shows and TV series I have ever watched, Stefan is one of my most favorite characters. He's in like top 3. So for this look, I will keep using this black eyeshadow and I will just build this shade on different areas of my eyes. Now I will take a flat eyeshadow brush and use the same black shade to create kind of a smoky wing. So earlier I was talking about Vampire Diaries as this makeup is very Katherine coded, but for your information, she is not my favorite character. Like, not even favorite, that she is one of the characters that I hate most along with Elena. I don't like Elena as like a main character. She is not that good. I don't like her personality and a lot of other things, but the only reason I don't like Katherine or like hate Katherine is because how she treated Stefan. Kind of both Damon and Stefan, because she did ruined both the brothers' lives and she kind of said Stefan would never stayed with her when he knew that she was a vampire. Like, she compelled Stefan, so it's kind of essay, but people just don't want to admit it. But I do admire her because of her like courage, the way she survived all 500 years and whatever, like all the things. She had a lot of quality and useful quality, her confidence and everything. Her aesthetic is very dark feminine and fashion, makeup and everything, but I just can't look past that. I mean, I don't find someone iconic who does all these things. Cool toned beige shade on the inner part of my lids. This makeup is not only Katherine coded, it's also kind of Morticia Addams coded, except I won't wear red lipstick. Once I start talking about Vampire Diaries, I just can't stop. But every time I see people on social media like Instagram or TikTok, some like people who make edits, they just ship Stefan and Katherine together. I feel so disgusted. Like, Stefan is a great guy and I don't think he deserves someone who used to sleep with him and his brother at the same time. Let me know your thoughts on my opinions of the Vampire Diaries and like Katherine and everything. Can't skip my eyeliner. See what a difference lashes can make. And I love this so much. I also wore this for my Latina makeup. If you haven't watched my version of Latina makeup, then check out my Instagram and TikTok. Now moving on to my base, I'm using my Illegal concealer in the shade medium beige for color correcting. I'm just setting my face with the Rimmel London Stay Matte Pressed Powder. Let's do some bronzing. Contouring my nose to take my nose from this to this. 10 times prettier after applying kajal. Just blending my lower lash line using the leftover eyeshadow. Okay guys, so I just did some finishing touches like adding highlighter, lip liner, beauty marks, and my makeup is complete. And I love this kind of makeup. This is like my favorite genre of makeup. I can make 1,000 names of this makeup. Jenny Humphrey makeup look, like I think it does give Jenny Humphrey, and like Rockstar Girlfriend. Unapproachable makeup. The eye makeup is giving Katherine, but the rest are giving Jenny Humphrey. So that completes this video guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts on this makeup, and I always appreciate your suggestions. Don't forget to check out my socials. I post more content there, and I will try to be active as much as possible this year. Please subscribe my channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye.